Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity AI for social media analysis. This tool can help you gain insights from social media data, understand trends, and monitor brand sentiment. Now let's get started. First of all, go to the Perplexity AI website at perplexity.ai and sign up for an API key if you have not already. You can do it by simply signing up on the Perplexity AI platform and then get on the bottom left corner, select the settings icon. Now select API section which is on the top right corner. Now select docs and after that select this get started button. Now here you can get the process of how to get an API key. This key will give you access to Perplexity AI's social media analysis features. Now set up your development environment by installing the necessary libraries and dependencies to interact with the Perplexity AI API. You can even integrate the Perplexity AI API into your social media analysis application by configuring it to handle social media data inputs and perform analysis. This involves setting up API endpoints and managing data flow. Collect social media data relevant to your analysis. This could include posts, comments, or tweets from various platforms. Now use the Perplexity AI API to analyze the social media data. You can perform tasks like sentiment analysis, trend detection, and engagement monitoring. Implement the necessary code to process and visualize these insights. Now review the analysis results and interpret the findings to understand social media trends, user sentiments, and brand performance. Now refine your analysis methods if needed. You can monitor the performance of your social media analysis system and gather feedback to continuously improve the quality of your insights. You can now deploy your social media analysis system on your dashboard or analytics platform, integrating it with other tools and ensuring it provides actionable insights. And that's it. By following these steps, you can use Perplexity AI for effective social media analysis, helping you stay informed and make data-driven decisions. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.